Hey, and welcome to the first video. It's just going to be a simple one. We're just going to go get changed and then we're going to go for a bike ride. Enjoy. Hey guys, we've got ready and everything now. We've got the bikes ready and we're just going to set off now. We'll catch you guys in a minute when we're on our way.
We're at Morecambe Prom now. Can I go ride down a bit? Can't we? Meet them back at the end.
Yeah, maybe get some clips along the way.
What ice cream did you get, Shubby?
I got iron brew.
This was raspberry, isn't it?
Raspberry.
Yeah.
We just stopped in Asda to pick up some chicken tikka for this one. Alright guys, we've just come out of Asda now and we're just going to set off on our way back home.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Okay guys, so we're back now, just chilling, and this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.